it be wonderful if you could have perfect clear skin? Remove the excess fat from your stomach, thighs, and wherever else fat does not belong. Slow down the aging process and protect yourself from getting sick all the time. Well, it is possible with eating a healthy diet, but it's also possible by drinking ABC juice. Yes, that's a thing. Apples, beets, and carrots is a juice that they call a miracle juice because it does so much for the body. I'm going to show you how to make it now. Let's go.
So we have to clean it. I always use baking soda and food grade hydrogen peroxide and let it soak for about 10 minutes and take it out. Look at the water. It's disgusting. So we're going to be using a beet, we're going to be using a green apple, and we're going to be using 2 to 3 carrots. This juice helps your heart. It's good for your brain. It controls blood pressure. It's amazing for your digestive tract. It builds up your immune system, helps your eyes, promotes hair growth, and give you glowing skin. It's going to get about 16 ounces out of what we just made, and there you have it. Enjoy.